I talk to you about my chimney. Chimney are for everything, and chimney it is where the smoke comes from. And then when the smoke comes, hey, did you know that the smoke came? And then the smoke came from here on the top. Even Christmas can go in. And then now I will talk to you about the doors. The doors. Let me see here.
Explain your draw.
Explain.
Yeah. Talk about.
Now, for the last, I will talk to you about the chimney.
Okay, speak me about the chimney.
The chimney is right here.
On top of the
Here,
house.
a chimney.
Yes.
Yeah, and the top of the chimney has a little bit of mess. But if you want it, if you wanna clean, if you wanna the chimney gets all clean, you must make that. So now I will talk about another thing
Father Christmas.
of Father Christmas.
Talk me about.
Christmas.
Yes.
Christmas have a lot of presents and have trolley. A trolley, it is where he can float all the way up the sky. The sky didn't make he float. And then the sky, when he's okay.